Today I'm installing a chassis mount wing from AIM9GT on my very beautiful, to me, C5 Corvette. The only problem I'm running into right now is how to be super accurate on cutting my bumper so that the brackets fit in, but I have to do that first before I know exactly where to mount the brackets. So, right here, this flat spot is where, I'm forced to mount. It's really the only flat spot on the back of the Corvette. And then I have to cut up and across to slide the bracket through. And I'm hoping to do that perfectly between a Corvette, well, on the edges of a Corvette. So, I'm gonna do that, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so what I got so far is I put some tape down. I, measured the wing. Hopefully, I put these in the right spot because I know some of the bracket is going to be sticking out here a little bit. So, in a moment of truth, I'm going to cut my bumper and I'll be right back. Alright, so, update. It's not too shabby. I mean, the placement is pretty rad. The hatch does close. I did put a metal backing plate on the other side because Corvettes are pure carbon or fiberglass, so kind of sturdy that up. I did cut the bumper and it does look pretty nice. So let me get the other bracket on and I'll show you the bumper and put mount the wing and all that. So I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, I got both brackets in there and even the wing on, and I really like it. So the wing itself is really easy to assemble. It's pretty much self-explanatory, nothing crazy. Hardest part is finding where to mount it. Now, first I mounted it way too tall, so like another 6-inch taller than it is now. And look, my wife pointed it out, otherwise I'd have been done already, but so I'm like, alright, that is way too high. So I lowered it 6 more inches, and I got nice cuts in the bumper, and then I had to mold there. So my next trick is I have my reverse lights go here, my license plate, so I might have to like notch in my reverse lights or something, but so far it's not bad. I really like it. Now let's see. You can barely see it, but it's a little wobbly, which can be easily fixed with one of those like X-brace pieces. All in all, I dig it. Well worth the money. I mean, you could spend like $2,500 on. Hold on. Anyways, you can spend $2,500 or so on a wing that's same. You probably maybe carbon fiber spoiler or something, which would be pretty sick. But I'm gonna wrap this up, and then I'll show you final. Be right back. Okay, so new day. I did end up finishing, and I really dig it. It might be a little too high, so I might have to customize the brackets themselves. This is kind of a universal fitment for my car, but it did turn out good, so let me show you. All right, so here is the final product. Amazing. I will end up doing like the X bracing here and there just to stiffen that up just a little bit more. But all in all, I love this. It's a little high. Actually, I did lower it 5 3/4 inches from when I originally had it. My wife did point it out, and I'm like, oh crap. So there she is. She's that's pretty wild. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. And I absolutely love it. The wing itself is just amazingly easy to assemble. But attaching it to the car was my issue because it was fully custom. I had to remove the Corvette bumper, which if you're doing this on a Corvette, there is videos on removing the bumper, which all in all is pretty dang easy. So I highly recommend this. I know I'm kind of off and on here. Big fan. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So if you yourself are looking for a spoiler, a ridiculously big spoiler for your car, I highly recommend this. I mean, again, it's huge. It's ridiculous. But, you know, so is my car. She's loud in color, she's loud in exhaust, she's loud in the ridiculousness. So that's it, guys. Feel free to leave any comments and I'll answer with whatever I can. So have a good one. Have a good one. Okay, it's been a few days, but everything's all buttoned up, everything's put back together, and I'm really excited to show you. It would be nice to know if a lot of you think maybe the wing's too tall. I kind of think it should be flush with the roof, but let me know what you think.